One of the simplest ways to make money online is what I demonstrate in this video, where I teach you how to earn $10 for every 25 clicks. How would you approach doing it? We'll discover it in due time. You can do this to instantly receive free PayPal money when you click. Therefore, earn as much money as you can. What if you could generate income simply by using your mouse? What if you were able to multiply that little number by a large number with only one click? Unlike other people, you have the power to make a limitless amount of money just by utilizing your phone or computer. Since this new tactic is fully free and available from anywhere in the world, you don't need any advanced technological abilities or expertise to get started. You also don't need to create any videos, websites, or social media followers either. Imagine being able to become financially independent by utilizing only simple internet money-making strategies. If you had that financial freedom, you could take care of your necessities, wants, and desires. Whether it's a house, a car, or anything else doesn't matter. You can support your family by paying your bills, your child's education, and any other expenses if you are financially independent. And it's due to the fundamental technique used today. Keep reading to discover more about this technique. Now let's watch the video again. Visit entireweb.com to get started. Even though EntireWeb is a startup, it is comparable to Google, which is why they are rewarding anyone who can generate clicks that lead to this website. They want more people to click on it so they can increase the number of individuals who visit their website and increase their revenue. You should click the menu icon on their webpage, followed by Affiliate. You will be directed to this page where you can make up to $0.50 for each click or $10 for 25 clicks. Isn't that easy? Additionally, I'll give you some advice on how to develop this income potential over time and turn it into something more passive. As you can see, you will receive payment for every click you send our way. To be clear, anyone from anywhere in the world is welcome to employ this tactic. Once the procedures are complete, you can use PayPal to distribute your funds. Don't worry if you don't. They also accept other ways of payment. As you can see, the end of the month will witness the payment of all profits from the previous month. The currency used for all transactions is the US dollar. To get started, just enter your PayPal email address and you'll be good to go. This platform operates similarly to Google's search engine to stimulate your interest. You can search for anything you want on this website. Any topic or term you want to research or learn more about can be entered. You will receive the most current and accurate information from this platform. For instance, if I key in money making, I'll be taken to this page which will display all of the search results related to the term or topic I just typed in. By employing this tactic, we turn into website promoters or affiliates in their language, who will help them in acquiring the trust of website visitors, enabling you to make a lot of money as quickly and easy as cake. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Now let's watch the video again. Furthermore, if you encourage someone to utilize the website, you will profit significantly, and that only applies to one person. What if you could simply click on it to convince hundreds or thousands of people to use this search engine? That means you're about to receive a sizable sum of money. Let's begin by registering. To do so, you click this button right here. You will be taken to this page after clicking, where you must enter the data necessary for them to finish your registration, including the data requested here. When you've finished, read the terms and conditions. To complete your registration, simply check this box before clicking Sign Up. After signing up, you'll be brought to your individual dashboard. However, you must first obtain your special bond before moving forward. If someone clicks on your link and goes to EntireWeb, you'll earn a lot of money. Now all you require is a short script to advertise your special URL. Create a blank page in Google Docs and write anything you want to persuade them to click your link on it. Another option is to search for a pre-written script on Google. If you had the time, you could just write your own, though. The brief time and effort you put into writing a script will soon pay off handsomely. To get your script in PDF format after finishing it in Google Docs, just click the icon below. After that, we'll move on to slideshare.net, where we will submit our finished short script and include a link to our website. This platform is amazing, with millions of daily views from people all over the world. With this traffic generator, you may freely advertise any link to thousands of people every day. Click this button right here to start the account creation process. The next step is to select the file you wish to promote and give it a compelling name that will encourage users to click on it. Once you've completed all the details, just click this button to submit your script. All there is to it is that. Now all you need to do is relax and watch the clicks and money roll in. In the end, everyone concerned benefits from this arrangement. More people use the entire web, and they are free to do whatever searches they want. The end of that. Check out my other videos if you enjoy this kind of material. If so, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.